Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Masterforce tool chest is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your workshop. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, keeping your tools organized and accessible is key to efficiency and productivity. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, build quality, and overall value of the Masterforce tool chest, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Number 5. Gladiator GLG 36KD ready-to-assemble large gearbox. This heavy-duty steel cabinet is built to withstand the toughest conditions. It features a stylish hammered granite finish and matching doors, making it a great addition to any space. With 2 adjustable shelves and 1 fixed shelf, this gearbox offers flexible storage options. You can easily customize the space to fit your needs. Uneven floors are no problem for this cabinet. The leveler legs ensure that it stands stable, no matter the surface. This gearbox is designed to handle a lot. It can hold up to 450 pounds per cabinet and 75 pounds per shelf, providing ample storage for your items. For added peace of mind, this product comes with a 10-year limited warranty. It's a testament to the quality and durability of the product. What we like. This cabinet is built with heavy-duty steel and offers adjustable shelves, making it incredibly durable and versatile. It's perfect for organizing your tools and keeping them within reach. If you are looking for a long-lasting storage solution with ample space and a solid warranty, you should consider this one. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly. The tool chest is well built. The drawers have a good weight capacity. Number 4. Powerbuilt 26-inch portable slant toolbox. This portable toolbox has a front opening lid and stair-step interior. It makes it easy to find the tool you need quickly. You can also use the removable socket tray. You could spend more on other toolboxes, but this one is top quality at an affordable price. It has fully welded seams, premium powder coating, and chrome-plated hardware. The lockable, weather-resistant lid protects your tools from weather and theft. The heavy-duty polymer lid keeps your tools in place, even when driving off-road. It's constructed from heavy-duty polymer and 16-gauge powder-coated steel. The box also features fully welded seams and chrome-plated hardware. You can stow this box on your truck, bench, in your shop, or your trailer. It's perfect for anywhere you work or play. What we like. The slant front design and stair-step interior make it easy to quickly find the tool you need. The weather-resistant lid keeps your tools safe from the elements and theft. If you frequently work on-site or need a toolbox that's easy to transport and keeps your tools organized, this is a great choice. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly. The Masterforce tool chest is well built. The tool chest has a good design. Number 3. OEMTOOLS OEM24615 72-inch garage storage cabinet. This tool bench is made from durable 430 stainless steel with an anti-fingerprint finish. It's built to last and easy to maintain, perfect for any busy garage or workshop. With 11 drawers, a 2-door cabinet, and a pegboard, this workbench offers plenty of storage. It keeps your tools organized and easily accessible. The drawers have full extension slides and can hold up to 100 pounds. This allows for smooth and easy access to your tools, improving your efficiency. It features a color-coded flat key locking system and black aluminum drawer pulls. This provides secure storage for your valuable tools, giving you peace of mind. Equipped with heavy-duty casters, this rolling workbench is easy to move around. It offers flexibility and convenience for all your tasks. What we like. This tool chest is made from durable stainless steel and offers plenty of storage with its multiple drawers and cabinet. The full extension slides provide easy access to your tools. If you are looking for a mobile workstation with secure and organized storage for your garage or workshop, then this is the one for you. What people say. The drawers are very smooth and lock into place when closed. The top bins have a piston hydraulic that slowly open the doors if you let them go. The caster wheels are very beefy and have thick rubber tires with 2 of the casters lockable. They even have a nipple for use of a grease gun when needed. Number 2. Gray Tools Mobile Tool Chest. This mobile tool chest is designed for professionals. It's perfect for transporting tools to any job site, keeping everything organized and accessible. Made with durable materials, it can withstand harsh conditions. The chest is resistant to impact and water, ensuring the tools inside are protected. This tool chest is approximately 25% lighter than others. The drawers stay horizontal during transport, and they fully open for easy access. It features a locking drop front door for the main compartment. The drawers cannot accidentally be pulled out, keeping your tools safe and secure. Backed by Gray Tools, a trusted name since 1912. It's fully serviced and warranted in North America, giving you peace of mind. Dimensions are 22.9 W x 15D x 18H and it weighs 29 pounds. See the product description for detailed set content and drawer dimensions. What we like. This mobile tool chest is designed to withstand tough conditions, thanks to its impact-resistant construction. It's also stackable and lockable, providing secure storage and easy transport. If you need a durable, portable tool chest that can handle the rigors of the job site, you'll appreciate what it offers. What people say. The drawers slide smoothly. The Masterforce Tool Chest is well built. The tool chest has a good amount of storage space. Number 1. Seville Classics UltraHD Rolling Workbench. This heavy-duty workbench is built for the toughest jobs. It's constructed with solid steel, making it perfect for garages, warehouses, and workshops. It's designed to last. With dimensions of 77 inches wide, 20 inches deep, and 37.5 inches high, this workbench offers ample workspace. It provides plenty of room for all your projects. Featuring 12-line drawers, this workbench provides plenty of storage. There are 8 small, 3 medium, and 1 large drawer to keep your tools organized. The workbench features a solid beechwood top, coated with polyurethane. This provides a durable and reliable surface for all your tasks. The workbench is built with powder-coated solid steel for commercial-grade strength. It also includes corner bumpers for added protection, ensuring its longevity. The cabinet door and drawer fronts feature an UltraGuard fingerprint-resistant coating. This keeps it looking clean and professional. The stainless steel cabinet is fully lockable, and 2 keys are included. This ensures that your tools and equipment are always secure. What we like. Featuring a solid wood top and 12-line drawers, this workbench provides a premium workspace. The heavy-duty build ensures it can handle demanding tasks. If you like having a robust and organized workspace with a touch of elegance, this workbench will be a great addition to your garage or workshop. What people say. The drawers are flat in shipping and the sides are bent up into position, a front is added and screws hold everything together. I've loaded the drawers up with tools, and they slide in and out nicely, and handle the weight well. The whole thing is easy to move around, the casters are large, sturdy, and work well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.